Hey folks, what we got here is a 1996 Toyota Corolla. Came in here saying that it was stolen, it was dying, and had a battery light on. Okay, so when it came here, I noticed that the belt was missing. It was just hanging off to the side. My buddy Max over here, say hi. Came in, looks what's wrong with it. Here's the alternator. Here's the belt. See how the belt is? Looks like it melted, right? It melted around this terminal because this is frozen. See it? You can't spin it. So this is frozen. The engine was spinning, broke the belt, killed the battery. He stalled. It died out. So we're replacing it with a Duralast belt, 380K5, and we go with a remanufactured alternator, 13213. Okay, now put it on. It's not too bad. You got to disconnect the battery, negative battery terminal. All right, remember, negative off first and on last. Over here, it's a 10mm nut. Remove the battery cable off. Okay, over here is a 13mm bolt, and there's a little nut here. Okay, that takes this off. Down over here, on this side of the alternator, there's a 12mm bolt. That 12mm bolt goes into a block. That block is attached to a bolt, which is right here. That's going to be your adjustment bolt. All right. Max, do me a favor, just hold that right to that bolt. Right. This is the adjustment bolt that's onto a little flat block with a screw for the adjustment. So what happens is that once you put the belt on, the belt goes around the crank and it goes around the water pump. Okay. What happens is that you see the bolt, watch the bolt as it moves up and down. See it? That bolt, the block is attached to the bolt that locks up the alternator. Okay, so you turn lefty-loosey until you get the belt on. Once the belt is on, I left everything loose. I'm going to tighten this 12mm and I'm going to bring that bolt down, which in turn brings the block up. And the block up is going to bring this alternator adjustment like this. Get it? All right, so once it comes up here, it's going to make this little belt over here nice and tight. And then lock it up. Okay, once you do that, put your 10mm nut back on, check for charging, and you're good to go. All right, yep, midnight auto repair. Want to get this done so Max can go home. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Nick, thanks for being my lighting man.
Always here.
All right, ciao. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I just want to show you guys the adjustment over here. All right, the belt. As I started to tighten it, it gets a little, when I start to tighten that bolt down there, it's going to pull this alternator up and it's going to make this a little tighter. See how much it moves? Watch this. I'm going to grab the 12mm down here. Ratchet and wrench is your best friend here because you don't want to hit the radiator. So as I'm tightening it, it's going to bring the block up. And that block, see, it's getting a little tighter already. I did it without putting the power wire on, and I did it without tightening this up. So right now I just want to bring this belt up to speed. All right, should be pretty much, it used to be a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch play up or down from the middle. All right, so you want it just a little bit up and down play. You don't want too much, make it too tight, because then you're going to ruin the belt. You don't want to make it too loose, because then it'll be loose. All right, so there's your tension right there. All right, you can push down on it. That'll be good. All right, so the belt is on. Double check your work. I'm just going to tighten this up now. Oh yeah, after you adjust it, use the 12mm. Tighten up this bolt that goes this way. All right, so once you tighten that up, tighten this up, put your 10mm, and you're good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks, Max. All right, I forgot to tell you guys, there's a plug over here on the side. Just to squeeze a little tab right here on the bottom. Squeeze it, and the plug will come out. On the original one, this was 10mm. On the replacement, this is a 12. All right, tighten it up. Put your little boot on. Make sure it snaps in. Make sure your wiring is good. And now we're going to check for charging. Okay, make sure everything's out of the way. Nothing's bugging out. All right, going to connect the negative. And I'm going to check it for charging, and then we should be good.